the time. Hope you recognize before I fall apart. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart. And I've been waiting for a long, long time. Sometimes I wonder what made me start. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart.
I keep saying I'ma change, I'ma change. I'm 22 now, it's time to fucking act my age. And I just keep telling her that this is just a stage, where every other night we go and party and we rage. And I be fucking up, I know. I'm so immature, I just hope she doesn't know. She's thinking about peace and fast if he doesn't grow up. In the next 5 minutes then she'll up and go. And I'm just saying wait up, let me show and prove. I know I did some things that you really won't excuse. You really got something, I don't wanna go and lose. But then she cut me off like when you blow a fuse. And she said to me, she said,
stand here waiting for you all the time. Hope you recognize before I fall apart. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart. And I've been waiting for a long, long time. Sometimes I wonder what made me start. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart.
See, I fucked around and always cut it close. Sex is like a drug, I always need another dose. I swear I got a problem they can't even diagnose. I always seem to stumble every time I try to coast. I'm saying adios to the groupies, hello again to you. I swear you got something only shown in a few. And much, much better is what I'm going to do, and not sweat someone so minuscule. Have you ever loved somebody who didn't love you back enough? Brings on a bunch of extra baggage like you packing stuff. I apologize cause I know you really had it rough. It's my word, I'ma stop acting up.
I stand here waiting for you all the time. Hope you recognize before I fall apart. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart. And I've been waiting for a long, long time. Sometimes I wonder what made me start. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart. Why you keep playing with my heart? Why you keep playing with my heart? Why you keep playing? Why you keep playing? Why you keep playing with my heart?
I hate my life. I hate my life. I give up.
All I could do, all I could do, it's all I could do, all I could do.
Yeah.
It's all I could do.
Take a look around, I am not the usual. Music never stops like I'm in a fucking musical. I rap cause I don't never wanna work inside a cubicle. This music is stone to the bone, thinking life is so beautiful. Sorry if you can't relate or this is all new to you. 10 bad bitches at my party, all doable. I took one to my room, it was you still rapping with a normal flow. I had your girl in the back giving oral slow. We be rolling up the finest California dro. It's all goody, hard as I am born to go. I'm just doing what I can, living like I'm supposed to. Most can't even comprehend what I'm close to. Blowing off a bitch right after she blows you, that's fucked up, dog, but it's what the girl chose to. Caught me a zip, so I rolled me a fatty. Me and some bad chicks blowing granddaddy. It's all I could do, fool, don't get mad at me. It's just
It's all I could do. 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 It's all I could do.
Still is in yellow cabs, I get haters hella mad. G said get him, so I got at him extra fast. We in a city of blind models and bombshells, but I got that ocean type swag, bitch, I'm ill. I like moms who like dons and don thongs, and like skinny black kids who like to write songs. They pull up in a Honda, we in Pagani Zondas, getting money, you promise. Psych, Wanda told me to be humbler, but every day I'm getting Facebook fans and features on every Tumblr, man. Haters can't understand understand. They really can't stand the heat, they just Cavs fans. Hey look, I get money out the ass and I don't fuck with bank accounts. Used to walk in, but all my niggas buying tables now. These white girls got a fucking penthouse fetish. I got the crowd on their toes like they fucking stretching. I told homegirl to meet me in like 10 minutes. It's just me, G-Eazy, and like 10 bitches. Got dreams of living lavish, rings like I'm the Mavericks. Man, I'm a fucking savage, it's all I could do.